How do you text like a man? You don't. You live like a man. And then your messages follow suit. The reason you're overthinking her reply, the reason you typed and deleted 5 times, the reason you sent emojis like confetti is because deep down, you're not standing in your masculine frame. You're texting like a boy hoping to be chosen. Bro, listen, you're not in middle school. You're not 13 just discovering what a phone is. You're a grown man. Act like it. If your texts look like a 5th grader who just got his first iPhone, you're not attractive. You're annoying. Type like you graduated. Capital letters. Real punctuation. I know emojis after every sentence. You know LOL unless you're actually laughing. No dragging out letters like hey or so. You're not a teenage girl. You're a man. Text like it. And stop arguing over text. She doesn't want your paragraph of feelings. She wants your leadership. She doesn't want passive-aggressive jabs. She wants a man who can disagree and not lose his center. Stop fighting like a 15-year-old who caught feelings on Snapchat. You want her obsessed? It's not going to come from triple texting, wide at 1 a.m., or spamming gifs and crying laugh emojis. It comes from presence, from scarcity, from power. You don't chase with texts. You attract with energy. Texting like a man means you don't beg for attention. You don't flood her phone. You don't explain yourself like a child who got caught. You don't write novels. You don't trauma dump. You don't try to be cute. You text with direction. You text to set up the real thing. A phone call, a meetup, a plan. If your entire relationship is digital, you're not dating. You're digitally desperate. And here's the savage truth. A woman can feel your desperation, even in a 3-word text. The way you break your texting rules for her, the way you rush to respond, the way you wait on her reply like a dog staring at a door. It tells her you're not leading your life. You're orbiting hers. And the man who orbits a woman's life will never be the center of hers. You want to text like a man? Then be a man. Live with fire. Stand for something. Have your own mission. Let her be a chapter, not your whole book. Final rule? If you wouldn't say it with confidence in person, don't type it behind a screen. No man ever became more respected by sounding softer in text. Let your life speak so loud that your messages are just echoes of who you already are. Lead with presence, speak with weight, and text like a man.